It's summertime and there's an abundance of berries everywhere, from strawberries, blueberries, raspberries, and blackberries. We also have a whole lot of berry bushes in the yard growing wild, and my cute niece helped pick some today.
Wait, Mommy, that's so... Ariana, there's a worm inside! What if someone ate that, Mommy?
Where? Oh, that's a caterpillar.
What?
Wait, so my mom
Right there, you see it? See it moving there?
That's a baby caterpillar.
Don't touch it! Oh my gosh! Mommy! Ariana, don't
Where
touch
is it, Ari?
I don't see
Don't
any.
touch
Oh
it.
well,
Right there.
there's a
Don't touch
caterpillar
it.
in the
Oh.
wild berries, so I'm gonna stick to the store-bought berries today. I promise you, this is going to be one of the simplest, most delicious desserts you've ever made. If you have butter, flour, sugar, baking powder, salt, milk, berries, vanilla, and cinnamon, last two are optional, you could be enjoying this and savoring every bite of this delicious dessert in approximately 1 hour. And prep only takes 5 to 10 minutes. So if that sounds really good to you right now, let's start baking. First, preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit because soon you'll be putting this into the oven. In a bowl, combine the flour, the sugar, baking powder, and salt. At this point, you may also add cinnamon if you're using. Add the milk and whisk until it's just incorporated into the dry ingredients. Melt the butter in your pie dish or baking dish using the microwave or the oven, and then pour the batter in the butter. And yes, putting the batter in the butter makes it better. Wash the berries that you're using, then remove the stems, pat them dry, and slice the strawberries. Then arrange the fruit on the batter. You may use 2 and up to 4 cups of fruit depending on your personal preference. Next, sprinkle it with 1 tablespoon of brown sugar. Place it in the oven and bake until the batter browns about 40 to 50 minutes. You take it out of the oven, you cool it and serve. You may add whipped cream to elevate it to another level.